welcome to another video. In this video, we have this old water tank, so we're gonna destroy it. That hurts.
Rack and crack, baby.
Okay. And we did far back. How about a sledgehammer? Heavy. TJ don't like this. I'm too heavy. Sledgehammer is too heavy. That's the mallet. TJ, stop it. We're busy destroying something. Destruction! TJ doesn't like all this big loud noise. It does look.
Alright.
I think the mallet's my favorite tool. My hand hurts from hitting it so many times. We dented it. We're closing this. Then it problem solved. Not solved.
Starting to sweat.
Try this side. Kick! Kick! I didn't spark my power fire. This huge hammer should do something. Huge hammer. Fire! P.S. Do not destroy stuff unless parent or guardian is present. Right, Dad?
Right.
Please do not try this at home. Well, we're trying this technically at home, right? Well, just don't do this without parent or guardian. We've completely dented this thing. It's only been 3 minutes. And I'm gonna kick it. Can I push it over? Can I push it over?
Why?
I don't know, just want to see what'll happen.
Well, you can go ahead.
Well, that happened.
Check.
I'm gonna lift it back up. I cannot lift it. Too heavy. Yeah, I just wanted to see what would happen for fun. I'm not very strong. And then again, I'm hitting this way. There's long bangs, but I'm gonna replace the bangs with music. You probably won't be hearing me talking. I'll probably be doing this with music. I'm standing on it. Whoop. Maybe not. Now I'm sitting on it. See? I'm hitting with one hand. I dropped the hammer. Is this oil? Like, what's on the ground right there?
That's junk that come out of that hot water tank.
Sledge time! Well, that's heavy. The sledgehammer is heavy. Oh my god! I can't lift the sledgehammer. Too heavy. That's a hammer. I'm gonna hit the thermometer. Look what this thing looks like. This thing looks like after damage. We dented it so much. Are all these dents pretty much from me?
They're all from you.
I've dented so much of this. Lots of dents. Oil. Oh, actually, I don't know if that's oil. Don't really know. Well, back to hammering. Can you lift it back up now?
Huh?
This up. The ball. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna hit the ball. Okay, I'm not gonna hit the ball. I'm gonna hit the ball clean through. If I hit it. I put it in. Can you put this send this stand the thing back up now? I do this with my left hand. See? I think we're going to end this video. Stay tuned for Water Heater Smash Part 2. Goodbye.